an emoji unboxing, but this time it is like gaming and Nintendo Switch. So no reason I didn't like just unboxing of the keyboard since I already prepared my Macbook Air there, and this keyboard online. But I didn't like. I tried to sign in here, so it's quite confusing because yeah, the breaker for my camera is basically just a couple of bucks, so I didn't use any tripod since later I will try to create my own same desk. Desk that I use overhead camera, just like what many YouTubers do. But of course, I will try to do a little bit different, especially the things that I will review there. Previously, I actually never liked to unboxing something that I buy because later it's not like it's to expect. I just try to accept it. Maybe if it is just so bad, I will try to ask for 10% refund from the seller. Still writing in the description. They usually try to explore unboxing video, but it's still here. Tree button. Macbook. I'm not really sure of the scam buyer. Because yeah, I tried to be honest. It's just unfortunate. I will try to accept it because yeah, that's like the responsibility of using e-commerce, where you're not in person with the seller. So yeah, in this video, I'm actually trying to unbox a Romeo 30% mechanical keyboard that I have already tried the second hand. Here, just get it quite late since yeah, not many people like to build custom mechanical keyboard, especially the 40% one, since it's quite an adaptation if you often to use bigger keyboards such as 60% and above. So thankfully it is already Type-C. So this one is actually a through hole. So that's the design of the through hole keyboard, which is there's outside like a gap between the USB-C connection, so it is kind of make it like a big bezel